Hi, this is Anu Rao from Salt for Cooking. I have with me Dhanwantri's 7-day, 7 days organic, natural homemade products, 7 days of instant sambar, and 7 days of instant rasam. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Watch me next. In the 7 days, 7 tastes, the Korambu or the sambar varieties as under Vatta Korambu powder, Bisi Belebath powder, instant Kadamba Idichi sambar powder, pepper Korambu powder, more Korambu powder, Oma Korambu powder, and Dal sambar powder. I've chosen to make more Korambu from this pack today. Unboxing the rasam varieties. 7 varieties of rasams. Tippil rasam, Mysore rasam, pepper rasam, cumin or jeera rasam, kollu, that's horse gram rasam, dal rasam powder, and ginger rasam. Of the rasam varieties, I want to try this kollu rasam, which is the horse gram rasam.